Morning. Middle of October, and it's snowing outside. It wasn't supposed to snow until, I don't know, about 4 or 5 p.m. today. But I think we're about 1,000 feet higher in elevation than the town of Flagstaff here. So it's actually started snowing now, and it's currently 11 a.m. It's not really snow yet, it's more like a icy snow. This is really cool. It's starting to settle on the van. We're still at our friend's house. You can hear our diesel heater going. You can also see some rust that I still have to fix. I was hoping to show you a view of the mountains. Well, they should be about here. It's completely white out. But right now I have a t-shirt on and this jacket, so I'm getting cold very quickly. We're gonna go and hunker down in the van for the day, keep that heat going, get some lunch, and then hopefully by this afternoon we'll have a couple of inches of snow on the ground and the kids can come out and play in the snow. I'm really getting cold now. Hopefully this is the start of a very snowy winter. It's really coming down. Ooh, it's nice and warm in here.
That looks so cool. I can't wait to go out and play on it. It's gonna be cold though.
Snowing outside?
This side of the trees are all white because the snow's blowing on them. Look.
Yeah. That's the direction the snow's coming from, so they're all white.
I've always wanted to see the trees white like that. I can't wait for the van to be covered in snow.
It's gonna be.
Yeah.
Quick snow update. You ready, Theo?
Almost. He's putting his boots on right now.
This is unbelievable. It's the middle of October. I've never had snow in October. Can't see outside anymore. It's so warm in here, it's going to be so cold when we get out there.
Yeah.
Ready, Theo?
Almost. My hands are going to be frozen. I'm going to keep them in here. Okay, I'm ready.
We're not getting too wrapped up warm because we're going to come straight back in again. I'm just going to do a quick update on the snow situation. Ready?
Snow situation.
Let's do this.
Oh, it's snow, 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 snow. Oh, it's crunching under me, Puffy. Oh, snow.
Oh man, if we hadn't moved into a van, there's no way we'd be doing this right now. A popular style of video on YouTube is being cooped up in the van all day, nice and cozy warm while it's snowing outside. And I have to say, it is everything it's cracked up to be. It is so nice sitting in there just watching it snow, being warm, with the prospect of coming outside whenever we feel like it, running around real quick, then going back in the van. Flagstaff has a very strange climate. It's a mountain range that's in the middle of the Arizona desert. And last night it was raining and hailing and thunderstorming, and it was still hail this morning. That's what we woke up to on the windshield. And here we are by lunchtime with, I don't know, it's about an inch of snow on the ground. And it's, I don't know, it's about 35 degrees.
Oh, wet.
This is a really beautiful spot. It has amazing views. It's very quiet. But it's at the top of a very, very steep hill.
Jump up a rock. No weapon.
And as it snows more, actually right now I'd be happy going down the hill in the van, but that is our home. And there's a vertical drop right here, and it goes down a long way. So I'm not going to risk sliding off that. It's a long way down.
How do I jump from there? Wait, look at all this nice. Oh,
Stop eating it.
it's yummy.
They're not dogs. This is beautiful. I can't believe it. This is the road.
Look at the trees here.
Shows you how quiet it is. Nobody's driven down it yet. The kids have been cooped up in the van with us all day. It's only lunchtime, it's not late, but they've been itching to get out in the snow. Every, I don't know, 15 minutes or so, Everly comes over to the bed and she's like, "Can we go out yet?"
I love this.
Sun's starting to come out a little bit. We need to go back inside before we get too cold.
I'm not cold.
I know, but if you get wet, then you're going to get very cold, so we need to...
My hands are cold.
Yeah, it gets cold quick. So we're going to go out for a little bit of a drive. We've been cooped up in the van all day, so naturally we're going to drive to the top of there to see what it's like from the top of the mountain. I mean, where else would you go? So we made it to the top of the mountain, and the yellow trees are actually out today. I completely forgot about the yellow trees, so that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're not really dressed for going out in the snow for any extended period of time. The snow gear is all buried under the bed and can't be bothered to get it out. So we're going to go out into the snowy parking lot over here for the kids to run around for 10 or 15 minutes before we all get cold and wet. We're going to go down there.
How do you get down there?
Oh wow, look at these trees.
Yeah, they are really pretty.
Whoa, whoa! They're on your slip.
This is why we love this town. It actually looks like it's snowing again over there, like they promised, so it would be nice to get a few more inches over where we're camping. But the crazy thing is, in 2 days' time, it's going to be 70 degrees again.
And all the snow will be gone.
Yeah.
Wow, it's chilly, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, ice on the puddles. Have you never seen ice on the puddles before? Look at that. Yeah, look at that. How cool is that? It's like glass.
Yeah.
We found the yellow trees today. Remember in the last vlog we were saying that there was a cold snap coming on Friday and it was going to rain? Didn't rain, it snowed. And it did bring out the yellow in the trees.
Yeah, they're stunning.
This is
pretty.
way cooler than no snow. This is way cooler with the snow.
Behind us, where are they? The gondolas. And those take you to the top for skiing. This is one of those moments where I'm so glad that we did van life, because if we didn't, we would still be in we'd still be in Florida and probably just like sitting at the house after work and not doing this, not getting to see the snow, and just, this is so magical. So magical.
It's been a long hot summer and we did start in Florida, so being out here where it's, I don't know, 25 degrees, snowy, we don't have the right shoes, we don't have the right clothes, so we're going to go back in the van because we are freezing cold now.
Yeah, but that being said, we are going to get the proper gear ready for the snow season.
Yeah.
We plan to come back here around Christmas time, don't we?
Yeah, and there'll probably be a couple of feet of snow up here.
Yeah. So we'll have the proper gear then, and we'll get to do lots of snowy things. Kids are going to go sledding for the first time.
Oh yeah. These guys have a beat. They're in shorts.
Trying to shatter the ice.
Left the heater on, should be nice and toasty. Oh, I'm cold now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Do I need to bang my shoes?
Yeah, bang your shoes off. That is an insanely cool view. The colours, the snow, the trees, just amazing. As usual, I have to see what is past the barrier that tells you not to go past it. The temperature gauge in the van currently says 29 degrees, and it's a cheap one from AutoZone, so it's usually about 10 degrees out. So I would say it's probably closer to 20 degrees out right now. And we're just not prepared. I have a t-shirt on and a thin jacket. But I just had to walk down here. I think we're at about, I don't know, 12,000 feet right now. And there's not a lot of oxygen up here. There's nothing over here, it's just a big parking lot. But as you know, I like places to myself. Wow, it's cold. I should probably head back. Could be in Florida right now. But instead we're at the top of a mountain in the snow. And my home is right over there. It is toasty in here.
That's why we stayed in here.
Yeah, I got cold.
Yeah, I bet. It's very cold. You're letting all the heat out.
I'm a little bit bummed because our usual parking spot at the station is closed for repairs, and I wouldn't have minded sitting here watching the snow for a bit, but there's nowhere else to park. It's probably going to be closed all winter now.
Maybe. Depends on how quick they get the work done, I suppose.
It's been nice cruising around Flagstaff with a little bit of a snow flurry though. Knock that off the list of things to do?
Nah, never knock that off the list of things to do. It's always on the list of things to do.
Over and over and over. We're going to head back to the campsite now and make some dinner.
Woo.
Be nice and cozy warm in the van instead of freezing our buns off in town. If you've ever watched one of the YouTube videos where they spend the night in the van and there's a blizzard outside and it's all cozy inside, and you've ever wondered if it's actually like that, well, it is. It's been really nice today. We just had homemade chicken wings and it looks like Antarctica outside. It's cold here in the cab, but it's toasty warm in the back there. It's been a long day and we're ready for bed, so we'll see you tomorrow. Good night.